Hey everyone, it's Hinge. I finally got around to building my first custom mechanical keyboard and I'm really excited. For this build, I will be using the MKB87 from KP Republic, which is a TKL hot swappable board. It comes with a nice rated USB-C cable, a switch puller, and a keycap puller. For the switches, I will be using the Alpaca V2s, which have been lubed and filmed by me. This is a really smooth linear that I really enjoy typing on. For the stabilizers, I will be replacing the stock stabilizers with Everglide Panda stabilizers with gold-plated wires. This is a budget stabilizer that I find nice and easy to tune. For the keycaps, I will be using the Geek Social Lucky Carp keycaps. They are a very nice keycap set. Every modifier key has a nice design, and I enjoyed the lettering on the main keys. I actually do recommend this set for any beginners, as they look nice and are OEM, so no cherry interference for north-facing boards. If you don't know what that means, there's a Wildcat video covering it that I recommend watching. So let's get into the build. I started originally by foam modding the board, but later I noticed the switches could not fit on the board. I later foam modded it after I put the switches on the board, and it sounds much better. I lubed the stabilizers with Krytox 25G0 and clipped the legs of the stabilizers. This makes the stabilizers less rattly as it makes the stem more flat. I was originally holy modding the stabilizers, which is putting a band-aid in them to eliminate rattle, but that made it so much more mushy that I ended up holy modding only one set of stabilizers. I would not recommend the holy mod, but other experiences might be different. I ended up saving what I planned on doing for the next day. I tweaked the stabilizers off camera, but I essentially took out the band-aid from the holy mod and just added a lot of Krytox on the wires. It was now time to add the alpacas. I had a budget of around $150, and the alpacas made it in there with only $4 to spare. Pretty crazy. I originally only lubed the spring and housing and filmed the entire thing, but it sounded very under-lubed. So I ended up opening them back up and lubing the stem, which improved the sound by quite a bit. The alpacas are filmed with Desky switch films. If you don't know what filming a switch means, essentially it is adding a piece of thin plastic or some other material inside a switch to make it more secure. This makes the sound pop a little more, and I highly recommend it. After putting the switches in place, I put the keycaps on. I saw these keycaps on Squashy Boy's and Pro upgrade, and I really like them. So, I didn't upload for a while. So, I was really lazy and I didn't have time to edit. Plus, I was trying to learn how to use Premiere Pro as Filmora didn't work, I guess. So, I'm sorry to my 8 subscribers that I didn't upload for 2 months. Anyways, here's the sound test. Hey, welcome to the end of the video. Thank you for watching to the end because that helps the algorithm and I can get more views. I hope you liked the keyboard. I spent a lot of time on it and I'm really happy with it. Like, it sounds good, it feels good, and it looks good. Like, it's everything I want on a keyboard. If you like these type of videos and if you like the new style I'm trying to do, which is more clean, you can hit the subscribe button on the bottom, and you should probably hit the bell because I might not upload for like 2 months again. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.